Now let's understand what are the software requirement of this project. We are going to develop this project using Jupyter Notebook, and we are going to install now Anaconda distribution. So this is the Anaconda distribution. To download this, visit the website, which is anaconda.org, and in this is the website from where you can download Anaconda and all its tools. So this is freely available. Click on the download Anaconda button, and from here you can download this Anaconda distribution. Click this download button. So this Anaconda is available for different operating systems. It is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So there are two versions, Python 3.7 and Python 2.7. So you can download as per your system requirement. So this is the latest one. Click on the download button and just save this file and it will start downloading. I'm going to pause this because I have already downloaded this software. To download this software, it takes few minutes. Okay. So once you download this software, this is the software which I have downloaded. Double click this and click next button. This is the agreement. I agree. Then install for just me recommended. And this is the path where your Anaconda will be installed. Just press the next button and your installation will start. I'll show you because I have already downloaded this folder. I've already downloaded this software. So I'm just going to change the name of my folder now. Next. Okay. So you need to give some location and press next. Okay. My location is not empty. So you can install it at any other location. Okay. Now you can add path or you can just register as my default Python 3.7. So I'll take this option and press this install button and the installation will start. Okay. As I have already downloaded this software, so I'm not going to install it again. After proper installation, you can type here Jupyter. So this is the Jupyter notebook and here we are going to write our code. So this is the Jupyter notebook and you can create a new file by clicking on this button new and click Python 3. So this is our new file. You can rename this file and you can start writing your code here. So this is the Jupyter notebook. Now, along with Python, we also need OpenCV tools. So we are going to develop our code using Anaconda distribution. So in this environment, we need to install OpenCV. So to install OpenCV, you have to install it in the Conda environment. So there is one Conda prompt. After installing this Anaconda navigator, Anaconda, you will get a Conda prompt. Like command prompt, there is a Conda prompt as well. Anaconda prompt. So this is the Anaconda prompt. So from here you can download different libraries, different packages to your system. To install OpenCV, you have to write the command in the Anaconda prompt. The command is conda install c conda forge OpenCV and hit enter. It will take few minutes to download this package. Okay, so collecting package metadata, solving environment. You can also install this OpenCV using Anaconda Navigator. If you don't know what is the command and if you want to install it through Anaconda Navigator, then you can do that as well. Anaconda Navigator, to open Anaconda Navigator, type, this is Anaconda Navigator. Just double click this button. The Anaconda Navigator will pop up. So it's taking time to download. So this is Anaconda Navigator logo. It's loading. Okay. So you can also download different packages in Anaconda using this environment tab. So click this environment tab and from here you can install different packages. So these are the list of packages which are available in Anaconda. If you want to install any package, for example, let's try NumPy. So NumPy is already installed. So you can check uninstalled package, not installed packages. Click here, not installed. And these are the different packages which are not installed. So this Orange 3 is a data visualization and data analysis tool. So if you want to install any package using this Anaconda Navigator, you can just click here and press the apply button. So the package will be installed directly. Here also you can check OpenCV. It's not there in my Anaconda, but in your computer there might be this package already there in Anaconda. So just click, if you find that package here, just click here and press the apply button. So this is also another way to install OpenCV package. And if you don't find that package in Anaconda Navigator, then you can do that by writing this command in the Anaconda prompt. I have already installed this package and also my internet is slow, so it will take time to install this package. Once this package is properly installed, you can check that by typing the command which is import cv2. This is the command to check whether the cv2 is installed or not. We can import this package in our code by writing this command and just run this. Okay, so this package is successfully installed now. When you get this, okay, so this is how you can check whether your OpenCV is installed properly or not.